I think he's going to do really great. He's got that strong personality. Getting to know them and enjoying with them and see how they party, and the energy is damn good. Like, I love it. Shani is like the youngest one in Anupama who's earning, but now it's to a point where I do something wrong, she'll be the first one to tell me. It's a hint. I don't even know मुझे देना चाहिए था कि नहीं. Like, hi, my name is Vidushi Tiwari and you're watching Bazooka. Keep watching and stay tuned for more content.
सबसे पहले तो आपका स्वागत है मज़ूका में।
Thank you
और
so much.
आपने इतना एंजॉय किया हमारे सरदार जी की हवेली में।
सरदार जी की हवेली में आई थिंक इतने महीनों के बाद, बिकॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली वी हैव बीन शूटिंग, न्यू ट्रैक है, न्यू जनरेशन है अनुपमा की, उसके बाद ये फर्स्ट ऐसे मतलब थोड़ा रिफ्रेशमेंट हुआ एंड अनुमा ने पकड़ पकड़ के सबको डांस करवाया है. सो इट्स बिन क्रेजी, गुड फूड, ग्रेट फूड एक्चुअली. इतने दिन बाद कुछ जैसे पंजाबी खाने को मिला, ना मैं ह्यूज फैन ऑफ पंजाबी फूड, तो बहुत मज़ा आया.
Any favorite one you want to share with us?
Oh, so funny story. Ever since I've been in Bombay, मेरे को गुलाब जामुन अच्छे नहीं मिलते यार. मतलब for some reason I have never found gulab jamuns that are worth trying. So today I had these mini anguri gulab jamuns. They were so great. This is the first time I've liked like gulab jamuns in Bombay. So if you are like a proper North Indian lover, you need to come here. Like definitely, it's too good.
Well, इसके अलावा जो आपका आज का जो इवेंट है, कहीं ना कहीं एक्ट्रेस के साथ में रीयूनियन हो गए आफ्टर सेट.
Correct.
तो कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हो उनके साथ में और कैसा लगा?
I mean, I think पहली बार after shooting for so long, we have finally met, which was out of our character. So ऐसा पहली बार लगा कि हम out of character, like I as Vidushi was enjoying with them, not as a Shani. And then Paki, who plays my mom Kritika, she and her, like we share a very friendly bond. So it's like for the first time I actually had an experience of actually getting to know them and enjoying with them and see how they party, and the energy is damn good. Like, I love it because they're so professional on set, but at the same time you bring them on the dance floor and they'll kill it. It's great.
Right now आप अपने कैरेक्टर को कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हो?
Ishani has been like, I don't know how to say it, but this was the first character. मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से काफ़ी सारे TV shows के ऑफर आ रहे थे, but and all of them were for lead only. This was the first one which was not the exact lead, but I clicked with the character. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं शानी की जो मैं रेजोनेट करती हूँ, बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें भी हैं जो मैं रेजोनेट नहीं करती हूँ. But the 2-3 points that I hit up like directly was that she's the youngest earning person in Anupama, and I'm the youngest one on set. I started earning when I was 16, and Ishani is like the youngest one in Anupama who's earning. She is somebody who's very open and blunt about her opinions, which I find very resonating because even I feel like even I am that way. So I think ये कुछ qualities हैं उसकी. Of course there's a negative aspect to it because she's too much manipulated by her mom. There is a lot of pressure on her to keep up with the lifestyle. So like if I just take those part away, I feel like Shani somewhere is a very intelligent girl. Like she's earning, she's blunt, she's honest. So I think that's just like, I love it.
So well, आपने जो ये चीज़ बात कही, that's true. कहीं ना कहीं रील और रियल में आपका कहीं ना कहीं अगर परसेंटेज वाइज देखा जाए तो वो कितना मैच करता है?
I would say 50%, क्योंकि जो भी उसकी वर्क वाइज, जो भी उसकी प्रोफेशनल वाइज क्वालिटीज़ हैं वो आई कैन रेजोनेट बिकॉज I started working when I was 16, and then Ishani is also somebody who's very young. She's earning, she's taking care of her mom. So for me that was like the first point which I was like, oh, this is like this is something which is me. And then she's very open about her choices कि I don't like certain things. She is very open to exploring new things. वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने फैमिली के गाइडलाइन, अनुपमा की जो एक कृष्ण कुंज की जो गाइडलाइन है वो उससे कुछ आगे जाके करना चाहती है. तो आई थिंक वो जो एक एस्पेक्ट है उसमें वो आई रियली लाइक. इफ़ आई जस्ट रिमूव दैट cunning or the smart strategic manipulation that she goes through because of her mom, I actually really love her.
Well, अपने co-actors के साथ कितना आप enjoy कर रही हैं, खासकर के साथ में?
Rupali ma'am is one of those people who will take time, but when they get to know you and once they get close to you, they will literally teach you things. Like Rupali ma'am, from day one, she has been very, very welcoming to us. But now it's to a point where I do something wrong, she'll be the first one to tell me. She'll be the first one to tell me कि "ओ, ये line ऐसे बोल, ये line ऐसे बोल." Yeah, she's like mom away from mom. So for sure, that's been like a constant love from her. And I love her, like honestly, one of my favorites. I love all the seniors actually.
So are you following Big Boss right now?
Not really, I don't get time.
Any one name like you have seen in the reels or anywhere? कोई एक नाम जो ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत मचा रहा है
I think I don't exactly remember the name.
currently, लेकिन
Vivin. I've heard so much, like a lot of my co-actors also keep talking. So I don't exactly know what is the strategy and what's the structure of how you play Big Boss. But I have like as a child also I've seen him on TV and everything. So I think he's gonna do really great. He's got that strong personality.
well अगर रियलिटी शो की बात करें तो आप किसे चूज करेंगे if you will get a chance in future?
Reality TV show. I am actually very. I don't think I am somebody who want to do reality TV. Crazy, but I'm not sure. Maybe Khatron Ke Khiladi would be like something. Maybe I would want to do, but because it's very. It's an individual game. It's not a like. Even though it's a competition, still it's an individual game. So maybe something like that. So yeah, but I don't think Big Boss is something I should be doing because I'm just a very sensitive person. So yeah.
अभी 20 क्रिसमस आ रहा है, इवन न्यू ईयर इज आल्सो देयर, तो कुछ प्लानिंग्स है आपकी?
प्लानिंग मेरी कुछ नहीं है. ईशानी का ज़रूर हो रहा है प्लान. पूरे अनुपमा में ज़रूर हो रहा है प्लान कुछ क्रिसमस पे. इट्स अ हिंट. आई डोंट इवन नो मुझे देना चाहिए था कि नहीं, लेकिन क्रिसमस पे आपको अनुपमा में कुछ ज़रूर देखने मिलेगा, इतना बता सकती हूँ. उसकी प्लानिंग जारी है. मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ अभी फ़िलहाल सिर्फ अनुपमा है और ईशानी है, तो दैट इज़ अबाउट इट.
वेल अगर न्यू ईयर की बात करें तो लोग हमेशा यूँ एक विश लिस्ट बनाते हैं, विश बकेट बनाते हैं, मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं. तो आप इस साल न्यू ईयर पे क्या मैनिफेस्ट?
एक्चुअली बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट जस्ट इफ़ आई फोकस ऑन मुझे एक साल में जो मतलब अचीव करनी है वो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू ट्रैवल. बिकॉज जितना काम हो रहा है आई इक्वली वांट टू गिव माई सेल्फ सम गिफ्ट इन द रिटर्न. तो आई वांट टू ट्रैवल, आई वांट टू गेट बैक टू फिटनेस, सो आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू जॉइन जिम. And third, which is actually the first one in the descending order, I'll tell you, it is to polish myself as a artist, because I think craft at this point, #1 show in India, for me craft is like main thing at the moment. That is my focus, and I cannot I cannot do anything less than just give my best. So I think polishing as Ishani, giving Ishani everything that she needs to be given. And yeah, we are the new generation in Anupama, so have to take it somewhere.
वेल लास्टली फॉर फैंस के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
Thank you so much for all the love and support. I, as a newcomer, couldn't even think that this would be the response. And all of you all, thank you so much. Thank you. Please keep loving us, keep watching us, because I think that's what's gonna keep us going. हमें सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है आपकी फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि एक तो हम न्यू हैं, प्लस ये लेवल हमने नहीं देखा है ऑडियंस का. तो प्लीज़ अपना प्यार बनाए रखिए. प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग अनुपमा एवरी डे 10 PM Star Plus पे. And yeah, thank you so much.